What a beautiful day, guys. So today I have one special thing for you guys. Yesterday I had a job to make one vector portrait and one vector painting that I want to share with you now. So you will see the progress of it, how I made it, how I made a sketch first, then what I have done in the vector. So stick it up for the next few minutes and you will see the whole progress. One thing more, please. I just want to thank you guys for following and subscribe, and really thank you for watching my channel. Welcome to the XBrush. In the next few days we will upload more and more videos about digital painting and painting in vector and doing the things. I hope you will find it fun and really exciting. So thank you and welcome again on my channel. So let's go and let's make this painting. So here we are, guys. We are in Photoshop. We are starting to do some basic lines and sketch. You may ask yourself why I'm doing that in Photoshop. I mean, you can do that in vector too, like just dropping the image in Adobe Illustrator and pulling the lines and do that over the image, so you're not losing the time. Well, the truth is, you know, the clients may ask you to add some elements, to add some things, to redraw something, you know, to maybe to edit image before you start drawing. So the best way I found is to do that in Photoshop, because, you know, sometimes it's like, yo, can you add me the glasses, can you add me the hat, can you add me my pet, can you add me something on the image? Then I sketch it fast in the Photoshop, I pull the lines, pull the details, you know, add my style to that particular image, what I'm doing, because I didn't find the style I'm doing all the time, you know. It depends on the image, it depends from the client what he's asking for, because sometimes clients are asking for a comic illustration, for some more cartoony illustration, for, you know, stylized portraits. So I'm doing like they want, so I don't have some particular style. So in this case I'm going something with cartoon comic / comic, something like that, and I'm starting to do some lines, you know, to pick up the best details from the image about eyes and the beard and the hair and everything, you know, to add some bold lines, fat lines, you know, all the details from the image I can, you know. You can see that I'm adding some cracked lines over here on the face. That's how I can say, I call them marks. I mark the whole image on the face to mark it where shadow begins, where it ends, where is the half tone, the mid tone, you know, something like that. So it's easier to trace it in vector. I'm just making the job easy to work on. You know, if you have good sketch, good basic sketch, you know, with the full details, you will do it more faster in Adobe Illustrator. You don't want to spend too much time on this, but you want to make it with a great quality. Why is that? Well, if you're working and like a freelancer or graphic designer, and you're just working like this, you know, you are making the digital portraits. The thing is, you don't want to spend so much time because you have new orders, you know, you want to make so much portraits in one day, so you can earn more. That's a normal stuff, but you know, you need to make it in the best quality you can, and every time to make it better and better. So just try to find that middle, you know. I'm spending the time, but not so much how I can save the time. Well, this is actually one way to save the time. Just spend more time in the Photoshop, like doing the details, doing the more lines, doing all the things you need to have in Adobe Illustrator, so you can just trace it fast and add the color and add the whole style, your whole palette of the colors and everything. That you will see that in one moment. Here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and you can see I have the whole sketch with the marks for my line tracing right now, and I'm doing here, I have the practice to lower the opacity from the sketch, so I can see the clear black lines when I'm pulling up. I'm starting here to trace the lines that I made already in Photoshop, and maybe I will add some more on the end, you know, just to complete the whole style of the comic / cartoon that the client is asking for me. So this is how it looks. Take a look now in the speed painting how I have done the lines in Adobe Illustrator. Okay guys, so this is the complete painting I have done for a client. So guys, if you are interested to have some portrait like this, you can feel free to contact me on my Fiverr account, link is down in the description of the video. This portrait is actually $5 only because I'm starting with my business, starting to grow my business, so you may actually help me with that. So guys, if you like this video, please smash that like, subscribe and share this video, help me grow on the YouTube channel, and see you again in the next video. Bye guys.